So I'm going to try to show you how to set up Portfolio in ClassDojo. So I'm going to do it first of all to get the QR code. So if you click on ClassDojo, find your child, click on them, and then click on the three dots and then click on QR code to log in. Then you'll have a QR code. Then there are two options then. You can either scan the QR code using your computer and a webcam. This will then open a web page and it should log you straight in as a child. You can see then that underneath you've got the class story for your child and all the tasks that your teacher has set for them. And if you scroll all the way down, it'll go back further and further to all the things that have been set for your child. Then you've got a to-do list here and you can click on view all. Then you should see in date order all of the activities that have been set for your child. So the earliest one first and the latest one at the bottom here. Okay, you can then click on a activity, the plus. It will tell you what your child needs to do on the right hand side, and then they either type or draw or send a photograph or do a video. When you're finished, you just need to click on hand in. This will then be sent to the class teacher, who will then comment on the work and send it back to you. At the bottom, you'll be able to see all the things that have been submitted. If you click on them, then they will appear, and also you'll see any comments by the teacher. If you also notice at the top, there are 5 different options up here. For other work that you want your child to do, they can take a photograph, do a video, they can draw something, they can attach a file, or they can write something. If you're doing it on an iPad, then use the iPad to scan the QR code. You'll then ask if you want to open it in ClassDojo. You should then be able to get to this point. Again, if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the things that have been set by the teacher. There'll be hyperlinks in there, there'll be files in there. So that's all the work that's been set. If you go all the way back up to the top, and you'll see where it says Year 6 and then Activities. If you click on the activities, you'll then get a whole list of activities that your child needs to do. Click on an activity, it will give you instructions, and then it will give you the chance to type something. The red circle allows you to record your voice. The yellow circle allows you to put a photograph in. And once you're happy with it, you can click on hand in at the top right hand corner, and this will be sent to your teacher. Okay, so here's an example of photographing something. Take the photograph, and then you can type a little caption to explain what the photograph is of. And again, click on hand in. I hope this helps all those parents that are having some trouble with portfolios. Please feel free to message me on ClassDojo and I will try my best to help you out.